What's up, world? Cicadas. 2021 cicadas. I'm sure you can hear them if you can see them. Zoom out a little bit. Oh, that's a little too much zooming in. Is that zooming out? Okay, here we go. If you look, yeah, Dory of the Honk. If you look right now in just a little tree, there's about 50, 75, maybe even 100 cicadas just flying around everywhere. And they are everywhere. They are. There's Ella. Oh, there's a little pupper dog running through the yard here. A little stray pupper dog. I think we ought to keep her. Hey, Ella. Hi, baby. I know. It's a good girl. All the cicadas. Uh-oh, we got sirens going off. What's that, Ella? We got sirens going off.